Today we're going to look at how you can take just one PLR product and turn it into multiple income streams. A lot of people download a PLR product, upload it to one site, and then leave it at that. But the truth is, when you edit it and repurpose it in the right way, that one product can keep making you money in different formats, on different platforms, and through different types of offers. I'm going to break this down step by step so you can see exactly how to do it, and I'll give you practical examples so you can apply it straight away. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Step 1 is to start with full editing. Before you even think about creating multiple income streams, you need to make sure your PLR product has been fully edited. That means changing the title, rewriting all the content so it's in your own words, changing examples, adding your own sections, updating outdated information, and giving it a fresh design. This matters because platforms like Amazon KDP or any site that doesn't allow direct PLR uploads will ban your account if you try to upload something that's obviously PLR. Editing the product also makes it stand out from other people who might have bought the same PLR package. When I say full editing, I mean the entire thing, from the content inside, to the cover design, to the introduction and conclusion, to the layout. This is where AI comes in handy. With places like ChatGPT and Claude, you can easily edit almost every part of the product. This is what makes your product unique and gives you the freedom to reuse it in multiple ways without worrying about duplicate content issues. Step 2 is to turn it into an ebook for sale. Your first obvious income stream is the ebook itself. Once it's fully edited, you can sell it on platforms that allow digital product sales and PLR content. Choose platforms that have an affiliate program so others can promote your product for you. If you want this to really sell, don't just upload the ebook, create a proper sales page for it with benefits, a clear call to action, and a strong cover design. A good sales page can be the difference between making a few sales and making hundreds. Step 3 is to create an audiobook version. Once you've got your ebook ready, you can turn it into an audiobook. This gives you a second product that you can sell separately or bundle with your ebook for a higher price. You can use tools like TTS, OpenAI, or Minimax Audio to create natural sounding voiceovers for the audiobook, and if you've cloned your own voice, even better, it makes the audiobook sound more personal. People love audiobooks because they can listen while driving, exercising, or doing chores, so this opens you up to a whole different market. Step 4 is to turn it into a video course. This is where the real leverage happens. Take the content from your ebook and break it into modules. Each chapter can be turned into a lesson, and you can create slides to go along with it. You can use AI tools to create the scripts for each lesson. If you want to expand on the information, and then use an AI voiceover tool to narrate them. Upload your slides into a tool like Pictory's PPT to video feature, sync the audio, and now you've got a video course. Video courses can often sell for much higher prices than ebooks, so this is where your profit margins can increase significantly. Step 5 is to offer a coaching or workshop option. If you're comfortable speaking directly to people, you can offer a coaching package or live workshop based on the same content. This doesn't have to be one-on-one coaching. You could run a small group workshop over Zoom. You're essentially walking people through the same material that's in your ebook or course, but with the added benefit of personal interaction. Because of that personal touch, you can charge much more for this option than for just the ebook or course. Step 6 is to create a printable or workbook version. Not everyone likes just reading a book. Some people prefer to have interactive worksheets or templates they can fill out. Go through your PLR product and think about where you can create action steps, checklists, templates, or journal-style pages that people can print and use. This can be sold separately or as part of a premium bundle with your ebook and course. Printables work well on marketplaces like Etsy, which brings in an entirely different audience from your normal sales platforms. Step 7 is to turn it into blog posts. This is where you start getting traffic without spending money. Take sections of your PLR product and turn them into blog posts for your website. Make sure you rewrite them so they're optimized for SEO, add images, and include links to your main product. This is a long-term strategy, but it's one of the best ways to get steady organic traffic to your offers over time. Step 8 is to create an email series. Your PLR content can also be broken into an email series. You can use this as a free lead magnet to build your email list or as a paid drip course. If you're using it to build your list, give away a valuable mini version of your content and then promote your ebook, audiobook, or course through follow-up emails. This is a great way to keep making sales from the same people over time. Step 9 is to sell PLR rights to your edited version. Once you put in the work to fully edit and improve the PLR product, you can sell the rights to it yourself. This turns your product into a PLR product for other marketers to buy and resell. Because you've improved it so much, it's a higher quality PLR product than most people will find elsewhere, which means you can charge more. This also gives you another completely separate income stream. Step 10 is to bundle it with other products. If you've got other related products, bundle them together with your PLR product for a higher perceived value. Bundles tend to sell really well because people feel like they're getting more for their money. You can also do bundle deals with other marketers, where you swap products and promote each other's bundles, giving you extra exposure and affiliate income. Step 11 is to create a membership program. Your PLR product could be part of a larger membership program where people get new products from you each month. Membership sites give you recurring income instead of one-off sales, which is one of the best ways to create a stable income online. You can mix your PLR content with other resources, training videos, or templates to make your membership more appealing. Step 12 is to use it for affiliate marketing. You can use your PLR product as a bonus for people who buy through your affiliate links. For example, if you're promoting a tool or course that relates to the topic of your PLR product, you can offer your ebook or course as a free bonus for buying through your link. This increases your chances of making affiliate commissions without you having to sell your own product directly. Step 13 is to sell physical copies. If your PLR product works well in print form, you can use print-on-demand services to create paperback or hardcover versions. You can sell these on platforms that accept custom printed books, giving you another format to reach new customers. This is especially powerful if your product is a workbook or guide that people want to physically write in. Step 14 is to host a paid webinar. Using your PLR content, you can create a presentation and host a live paid webinar. You'll walk people through the key points, answer questions, and then pitch your related products at the end. Webinars can be recorded and sold as a replay, giving you yet another product to offer. Step 15 is to turn it into short-form content. Take small tips or sections from your PLR product and turn them into short-form videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. These can drive traffic back to your main offers and grow your audience on multiple platforms at once. Step 16 is to offer licensing to businesses. If your PLR product is on a topic that would benefit a certain type of business, you can license it directly to them to use as their own content. This could be training material for their staff, a lead magnet for their customers, or even something they sell themselves under your licensing terms. Step 17 is to translate it into other languages. By translating your PLR product into another language, you can reach entirely new markets. Many niches have very little high-quality content available in languages other than English, so this can give you a huge advantage. Step 18 is to create a challenge. Turn your PLR product into a 5-day or 7-day challenge where you walk people through the steps in bite-sized pieces. This can be delivered through email, a Facebook group, or a membership site, and you can charge for access to this content. Step 19 is to turn it into a podcast series. If you're comfortable with audio content, you can take your PLR product and record it as a podcast series. This can be free to build your audience or a paid subscription podcast for premium access. Step 20 is to use it as the foundation for a bigger product. Sometimes your PLR product can just be the starting point. You can expand it into a more detailed course, a multi-part training program, or even a book series. The important thing is that you're not limited to just one version of the product. You can keep building on it to create more and more value. And there you have it. From one PLR product, you can create an entire ecosystem of income streams that work together to build your brand, grow your audience, and keep the sales coming in. The key is to start with a full edit, make it unique, and then look at every possible way you can repackage and repurpose it. Hey guys, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know how many of these strategies are you going to use to produce passive income for yourselves. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, If you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.